Hey guys. So today I have two awesome good new figures. Ant-Man, Boba Fett. So I'm gonna start off with Boba Fett because Boba Fett's dad's favorite. Especially in opening my door here.
You didn't let me. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Welcome, Boba Fett. So here is Boba Awesomeness Fett. Yeah, there's and he has a card with him on it. So yeah, that's Boba Fett. And there's my exciting one to open. Ant-Man. And these goggles are translucent, but on the inside, he has no face. It's like this gel stuff. So, that's cool. So, those are those two guys. Here's his little card. Just put it. And those are your guys, and that's all for this episode. Bye!